am coming back to the beautiful church in Amsoldingen on Sunday the 8th of March, and I am really looking forward to seeing you. And I'm so grateful to Sandra for organising this. We are creating a sacred day for women and men that will help you feel inspired and empowered. Sandra will lead a ceremony to open the wheel of the year for Ostara, and that will really help you to connect with the holy flame of the goddess, deeply connected with our beautiful Mother Earth. And I am going to share some of Maria Magdalena's teachings that will really bring you clarity and courage and love for your path ahead. And the 8th of March is International Women's Day, so we're going to honour the trailblazers who have had the courage to help really to restore the sacred feminine and bring equality for women, and also honour your own journey and the journey of your ancestors for you to be here now. And because the sacred feminine is an energy stream within all of us, men and women, and flows so beautifully within Mother Earth to nurture everything and everyone, we are going to connect with the sacred feminine way of love. So you will be able to experience the sacred power of yes, understanding what lights up your beautiful heart with enthusiasm and with joy, and also practice the sacred power of no, helping you to understand what is not aligned for you, what drains you, so that you have the energy and courage and inspiration to feel empowered and to be able to step forward on your path that is aligned with your heart and soul. And I'm also going to share a sacred transmission of illumination from Divine Sophia wisdom. This is the creative force, the Shekinah, and the feminine aspect of God that Maria Magdalena embodied and also lives within her living frequency. And this life force energy is holy fire and will help you to have clarity to step forward, aware of what truly inspires you and fills your heart with joy. So this will be a really beautifully held, inspiring workshop and ceremony for women and men, and I can't wait. So please get in touch with Sandra to book your place, and we will see each other soon. With love, from my heart to yours.